Mabuhay! Welcome to my channel. You're here with Kathy. So today I want to show you guys what I got from the Lashybox that I just recently subscribed to. This is Lashybox XL. So without no further ado, let's start. I can't resist. I have to show you the box. So the box is really small. You know, they put a little bit of effort into the packaging, so I like that. Some of the subscription boxes that I have, you know, the plastic type, but this one, they put an effort on the box. The eyelashes. Unfortunately, I just recently got an eyelash extension, so I won't be able to really use them. But hopefully in the next upcoming videos, in 2 to 3 weeks from now, I will have them and try them on, and then we'll do a try on of the palette. It's a $25 subscription box. So this is the palette. I got a palette from Pixie by Petra. This is the Hello LA Angel. So this looks pretty nice. I believe this is like $17 to $20, something like that. And I'm pretty excited because, you know, I wasn't expecting it to have the Pixie. I consider this as a drugstore makeup, but I really like, I feel like this is more of a pricey drugstore makeup. So I really don't own any Pixie because of that reason. You can see this is more neutral colors. It says here there's 12 eye shades and 3 of them are face shades. I believe this last bottom part right here are like the face shades that it's talking about. I believe these ones are the bronzer, the contour, and then the highlighter. I don't know if I can contour with this one because this one is a little pinkish nude, and I'm dark skinned, so probably won't work on me, but we'll try it. Okay. It also came with a brush. I believe this is a lip brush. Okay, it says this is a lip brush from Bebellacosmetics. We're gonna use that today. I'm thinking of using this as a concealer. We're gonna do like a Cut Crease natural smoky eye look, so I'm hoping to actually use this because I like how it's compact, and I feel like this is gonna be really good for, you know, shaping that cut crease. So before we start, I actually want to show you guys the eyelashes first. This is from Zola Lashes, and this is the Delaney. It's a premium 3D mink lashes. There is also one from My Lash Bag, and this is the Belize. This is also a foam ink, 3D foam ink. It's really cute. And there's 3 from Lashybox itself. This one is the Lunar. I like this one because, you know me, I don't know if you noticed, but I like the ones that looks like a flare. So this one looks like a flare, so this is probably gonna be one of those that I will try right away as soon as this extension is gone. And this one is the Jamaica. It's very pretty. It looks like a dramatic lashes. It looks like it's gonna be really good with any look, actually. The last one is Darling, and it's right there. It looks nice. It looks like the one, the style that I have right now on my extension. Got 5 eyelashes. Let's start with the palette.
Alright, I know I'm showing you an LA Pro concealer. I love this concealer when I do like makeup looks, but I only do this if I'm just doing like a makeup look rather than using it for a daily type of thing. or when I go outside and actually try my makeup, the longevity of this. But you know what? Surprisingly, this palette actually hold pretty quite a while, and it didn't really crease even though I used the concealer. So I'm really proud of this palette from Pixi. So that was really amazing. I just want to say that. Anyways, let's go back to the video.
Okay, so let's finalize it. I am wearing the Lashybox Jamaica today, and here's what it looks like. And I think this is really pretty if you have you know, the eyeliner cat's eye style of eye look. I think it's very simple. It can look natural and it's not heavy on my eyes, so I like that, especially when I, you know, when I go to work and want to have like pretty lashes. So this is actually perfect, so I recommend this one. The rest of the false lashes, I haven't tried them, I'm sorry, but I will make sure to try them with my my other videos so you guys can see, and I will put it in the description box, whichever falsies I use or the products. Let me know if you actually want that in any videos so I can give you guys details, but I think I'm gonna try and start that soon so you guys know exactly what I use most of the time, really. This Pixi, what is this, Hello LA Angel, is, I like it, but honestly, if you ask me if I'm gonna buy this, I don't think I will, just because like all the colors that's in here, I pretty much have it in most of my palettes. So no, not really, but I know I use this chocolate one right here, and this one is very pretty, and even this one, so it's very pigmented. I mean, it's not like it's bad, it's just I don't think I'm gonna buy it because I know, like I told you earlier, like Pixi can be a little more on the expensive side of a drugstore, so that's the only reason for that. Actually, this one I was surprised it worked as a contour for me. I thought it was lighter, but it works out. If you've never tried Pixi, I guess this is a good start. It has the highlighter, like pretty much everything in it, so if that's the formula of their, you know, blush and highlighter and bronzer, I mean, I would give it a try. If you're a Pixi lover, I think this is a good one to have because of it's everything. Moving on for the last one. The last one is the lipstick. I'm wearing that as well. You can see. I like it. It feels the same as like my favorite e.l.f. Lipstick. It's the matte lipstick that e.l.f. has that I have been loving. It's matte, but it's, when you put it on, it's cream, and then it stays on as a matte, like a soft matte. So it's really pretty. Unfortunately, it transfers, as you see, but it's not those matte, like sticky. it's just very soft on your lips, so it feels good. But if you don't like lipstick that transfers, this is not it. But if you want to try it out, I guess it's okay. But if you are gonna ask me if I'm gonna buy this one, maybe not. The only reason for that is I love my e.l.f. more, so I would get the e.l.f. more than these. But I'm not saying this is bad though. I'm just saying the e.l.f. was like $4, so hella cheap and hella good. Anyways, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, subscription boxes, please do consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.